Good day, everyone. Today, I will present the PhilHealth ransomware attack in 2023 using the GRC framework, governance, risk, and compliance. This case shows that cybersecurity failures are not only technical but also management failures. On September 22, 2023, PhilHealth was attacked by the Medusa ransomware group. Their systems their systems were lacked and hackers demanded $300,000. PhilHealth refused to pay, so the attackers leaked sensitive data online, including personal and medical records of millions. This made it one of the biggest cybersecurity incidents in the Philippines healthcare system. The attack caused three main problems. First, systems encrypted and disrupted. Systems were disrupted, affecting services. Then second, exposure of personal and medical data. Sensitive data was exposed. Then third, risk of identity thief and fraud. People are now at risk of thief, fraud, and phishing. So the issue is not just system failure, but also long-term risk to people's security. Governance issues. In governance, leadership failed. Cybersecurity was not treated as priority. There was poor decision making like not renewing antivirus. There was also lack of accountability. This shows that cybersecurity must be a top management responsibility. Risk management issues. For risk management, ransomware risks were not anticipated. The antivirus was expired. Monitoring was weak and backups were lacking. This means risks were not identified, not monitored, and not controlled. In compliance, PhilHealth should follow the Data Privacy Act, but implementation was weak. There were delays in procurement and security standards were not enforced. So compliance existed, but it was not properly implemented. Importance of integrated GRC. Integrated GRC connects government. Integrated GRC connects governance, risk, and compliance into one system. If applied, leaders would enforce strong security. Risks would be identified early, systems would always be updated. It only improves coordination and response. This makes organizations proactive, not reactive. Conclusion. This incident is a failure of GRC, not just a cyber attack, because there were areas were not aligned. The system were vulnerable. Recommendation: strengthen cybersecurity leadership. Leaders must prioritize cybersecurity, assign clear rules, and make secure decisions. Implement integrated GRC. Connect governance, risk, and compliance for better decisions and early risk control. Then improve updates and response plans. Regular updates, activate antivirus, and strong response plans are necessary. Conduct training and audits. Train employees, conduct audits, and test systems to stay prepared. So, in conclusion, cybersecurity is not just about technology. It requires strong leadership, proper risk management, and strict compliance working together through integrated GRC to protect data and ensure resilience. Thank you.